Welcome to another Mangoranges video. Today I'm gonna show you my wash day routine for curly hair. I have like 3C and 4. I have a patch on my head with like 4A type hair. It's really weird. I start off by wetting my hair. And my hair was in a braided hairstyle for a week before. There was a lot of shedding in there. And usually I start off by just massaging my scalp, trying to get the products that were in the dry hair, like washing them out a bit. And then I continue with shampooing. Always switch off your water in between, otherwise it's really wasteful. I mainly focus the shampoo on my scalp, as the buildup is there, and I was sweating on the scalp, not on my hair. And I barely put shampoo in my hair, it just runs through it when I wash it out. And I've been using the shampoo you saw for over, I think, for a year now, and it's one of 2 years actually, for 2 years, and it's one of my favorites. It's sulfate free, paraben free, all the bad stuff free, and it makes the hair really soft but also makes the scalp really clean. And I think it's hard to find such a good shampoo, and it lasts for a long time. I usually wash my hair once a week or once every 2 weeks when I'm really lazy, which happens every now and then. But usually when I dance a lot and sweat a lot, I sometimes even wash my hair twice a week. And I know I have to wash my hair when my scalp is itchy, and yeah, I know it's time to wash it. Then I wash it out again, and the second turn of shampooing my hair, you can see that I'm doing this scrubbing motion and flip my head over, because it's really good for hair growth if there's blood circulation in your scalp while you massage the scalp. So I always started doing that in the shower, so my hair grows faster. I rinse it out again, and this is my favorite ever conditioner. It has no bad stuff in there, no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates. It's from Shampoo, and I used a lot that day because my hair was really tangly. Usually when I co-wash it in between and detangle it, it's very easy, but that day I even had to finger detangle it a bit. And I always use my Tangle teaser. It's my favorite brush. It doesn't hurt at all. That's the best brush ever. And I always try to have, not always, but sometimes have a hand behind the brush, so it really gets through the curls. I hold my hair like a ponytail and then brush it, so I don't directly pull on the roots, because that would be way too painful, and start from the middle/ends and then go slightly upwards. Then you also see me doing the smoothing motion. It's really helpful to get through the hair, and I only use my Denman brush when my hair is detangled already, because it hurts too much to really detangle it with the Denman brush. Tangle teaser is my favorite. So here you see the difference before and after. Shedding. Sometimes I even do that smoothing motion you just saw me doing under the running water when I don't have a conditioner. So that's how I usually wash the conditioner out. But sometimes if I don't have a conditioner and I want to detangle my hair, I know that the leave-in products are still in my hair when my hair was dry, and I just do the smoothing motion under the running water instead of a conditioner, because the water that runs through your hair makes your hair really heavy and makes it easy to get the shedding and the loose hair strands out. So that's a little trick for you if you don't have a conditioner at some point. Just brush your hair under running water. It also works for detangling, for my hair type at least. Then I always use my microfiber towel, because it keeps the hair hydrated. It doesn't take out the water of the hair like a cotton towel would. so you can always use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel for your curly hair. That day I re-dyed my hair, because I do it every now and then to get it like more red and orangey again. I just add the hair dye like I would add any kind of leave-in conditioner, just to the strands, not to the scalp. And my crazy self likes to have brown eyebrows. Brown eyebrows. And that's it. Then I deep conditioned. Here you see a before and after. That's my hair without any product after detangling it with the conditioner. Now I deep condition it. Throughout my whole head and everything, and brush through it so the product can really penetrate. I don't like saying that word. Penetrate the hair strands all over. Like, that's how you spread product really well. You just brush your hair and you wait for 1 hour and rinse it out. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.